The story of 3 Atlas begins in silence. A silence so vast it feels as though the universe itself is holding its breath. From the depths between the stars, it emerged, the third interstellar object ever detected by human eyes. It drifts and dances through the dark sea of our solar system, moving with a grace that is both unpredictable and hauntingly beautiful. Every twist, every shimmer of light on its icy surface is like a whisper from the unknown, a reminder that the cosmos still holds secrets beyond imagination. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden mirrors toward this visitor, astronomers expected data. What they found instead was something far more profound. The images revealed layers of complexity, a storm of color, movement, and energy that left scientists astonished. Instruments flooded with questions that no one had thought to ask. For the first time, humanity was observing a traveler not bound to our sun, a wanderer from another world, crossing our planetary neighborhood like a shadow carried on starlight. The story of interstellar visitors is still in its infancy. Before 3 Atlas, there were only 2 known messengers. The first, Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was a mysterious elongated shard from the abyss between suns. It moved with strange, unpredictable accelerations, as if invisible hands guided it, and then it vanished into the darkness, leaving behind a trail of questions that still echo through science. The second, Comet Borisov in 2019, initially appeared familiar, a glowing traveler with a bright icy tail. Yet its chemistry told a different story entirely. It was born in a planetary nursery unlike our own, carrying the alien fingerprint of a distant star. And now comes 3 Atlas, a wanderer stranger, more restless, and infinitely more enigmatic than its predecessors. Through the unmatched infrared eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers focused on this drifting enigma, seeking to decode its origin and purpose. Webb's mission was clear: study its dusty tail, measure its speed, and examine the secrets buried in its icy core. But what the telescope revealed went far beyond expectation. For the first time, scientists observed an interstellar object moving as though alive. Its trajectory shifted in sudden bursts and slow pulses, movements that gravity alone could not explain. Unlike comets born in our solar system, which trace elegant, predictable arcs, 3 Atlas twisted and turned in ways that defied logic. It slowed, surged forward, and at times even seemed to resist the cosmic currents that governed it. Infrared imaging revealed faint plumes of gas and streaks of exotic ice erupting from its fractured surface. But unlike normal comets, these emissions splintered into jagged bursts, veins of light and matter veering wildly in all directions. Each eruption accompanied a subtle shift in motion, as if the object pulsed with a hidden rhythm, a heartbeat faintly echoing across the interstellar dark. Its chemistry deepened the mystery. Webb detected rare carbon compounds, microscopic silicate grains, and exotic frozen gases unknown in our solar system. Each fragment, each molecule, spoke of a birthplace far from the warmth of our sun, perhaps within the cold nurseries of a distant spiral arm, where stars are born in clouds of dust and shadow. 3 Atlas was not of our world. It was a messenger, a frozen memory of a place humanity has never seen. Yet its sudden movements defied explanation. Some shifts could not be traced to gas outbursts, sunlight pressure, or gravitational tugs. Questions arose. What unseen forces were propelling it through space? Natural explanations were proposed: trapped pressure venting through cracks, hidden jets releasing gas. Yet a few astronomers quietly speculated that there might be something deeper, patterns too deliberate, too rhythmic, as though the object were responding to its cosmic environment. 3 Atlas became more than an interstellar visitor. It became a teacher, a moving laboratory drifting through infinity. Every plume of gas, every flash of light was a line in a cosmic textbook, a message about how worlds might begin. Perhaps it was not simply a comet, but a courier, a cosmic seed carrier, scattering rare molecules across the galaxy, delivering elemental ingredients of life to planets yet unborn. Each eruption was more than motion, it was a chemical message, a seed hurled into the void, searching for fertile worlds among the stars. This echoes the ancient idea of panspermia, the belief that life's beginnings are not confined to one planet but shared, exchanged, and carried across the cosmos. If travelers like 3 Atlas can preserve fragile molecules for millions of years in frozen darkness, perhaps the seeds of life are already wandering between suns. Perhaps Earth is not unique. Perhaps life is universal, a spark waiting only for warmth, chemistry, and time to awaken. 3 Atlas is more than matter. It is a messenger of possibility, a whisper that life may be the galaxy's oldest inheritance. Its story is physical, mechanical, and deeply philosophical. For centuries, comets were considered simple objects obeying the neat rules of gravity. Then 3 Atlas arrived and shattered that certainty. Its unpredictable accelerations hint at complexity within, hidden chambers of trapped gases, crystalline structures storing ancient energy, fractures opening and closing like valves in motion. It teaches us that interstellar comets are not inert fossils. They are engines alive with shifting power, changing with every pulse of heat and time. The implications for humanity are profound. Should we send a spacecraft to meet such a traveler, it would face challenges no engineer has yet imagined. A comet that twists, spins, and reverses direction cannot be approached with slow commands. By the time signals travel to Earth and back, its path will have already changed. Future explorers will require AI-guided probes capable of reflex, intuition, and autonomous survival, navigating the heartbeat of the unknown. Beyond science and engineering lies a more profound truth. The universe is not calm, tidy, or predictable. Its chemistry tells us that not all worlds are born alike. Some are forged in radiation storms. Some form crystals never seen by human eyes. Some carry the fingerprints of stars long dead. By studying this wandering traveler, we glimpse the infinite diversity of worlds, each a spark in a boundless cosmic tapestry. 3 Atlas becomes a mirror to the cosmos. It reflects our own smallness and our hunger to understand the infinite. Perhaps that is its truest message. The universe itself is restless, alive with motion, filled with couriers of chemistry and light drifting eternally between the stars. 3 Atlas is not merely a comet. It is a story in motion, written in dust, ice, and ancient fire. A story of distant worlds we may never touch. A story whispering that life's potential is universal. Even the loneliest fragments of rock and ice can shape the destiny of living worlds yet to come. And as it fades from our solar system, disappearing once more into the vast dark, it leaves a quiet truth behind. Even in the silence between the stars, there is chemistry, motion, purpose, and stories, waiting to be discovered, waiting to unfold.